Welcome back. Why eat out when you can cook right at home? This week on Mom to Mom, Mandy shows us how to whip up a quick and tasty snack. Take a look.
Today on Mom to Mom, we have a yummy back-to-school lunch your kids are going to love. As school gets closer to getting back in session, it's time to think about what you're going to put in your kids' lunches. And if they love corn dogs, they're really going to love this. It's a mini corn dog, which is a miniature size of the actual corn dog without the skewer. Who likes those anyways? They just get in the way. So what we're going to do today is we're going to need some buttermilk corn mix. Basically, you just follow the instructions on the box. I already have mine made up just to save time. Then you're going to need a mini muffin tin. I like the rubber ones just because it's easier to get out. You just pop them out when you're done. And then you just throw them in there, and we'll throw them in the oven, and I'll show you how this goes. Once you have your mixture made up, you want to spray your pan with some nonstick spray. That's very important, else they're going to be hard to get out and mess them all up. I've done that before. So then you're going to take your mixture and put it in first. Once you have all your mixture in, that's when you can put the hot dogs in, which I like to use the all beef hot dogs. I go ahead and cut them up. I usually use about 2 for this pan, but it just depends, however you want. Stick them right into your mixture. Then you're going to throw it into the oven at 345 for about 20 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it. Once they're done, you pull them out, let them cool, and then they just pop right into your kids' lunch. You can do it every day, or you can throw them in the freezer and save them for a future time. But regardless, your kids are going to love these. If you have any wonderful lunch ideas, we'd like to hear about it. You can message us on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Pediatric Dentistry of Columbus.